Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve out of date on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve out of date on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Telegram and you can click. After that you will enter the first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.